Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome to the Polymer Update Daily News Shorts. This is Neeraj Rawal from the Polymer Update Mumbai office. This news reel has been sponsored by Polymer Exchange, the world's first mobile application which makes buying and selling of polymers simple. To know more, visit your App Store or the Google Play Store and download this dynamic trading tool now. The application is available free for download but not for long. Take advantage of this free offer today. Data is a new natural resource. Data is a new oil. Data in its raw form is useful, but for it to have real value, it has to be processed into intelligence. These are the words of Mr. Mukesh Ambani, Chairman, Reliance Industries Limited, who addressed the NASSCOM Indian leadership in Mumbai on Wednesday. We at Polymer Update resonate the wisdom of this great industry leader. Our founders understood the value of data way back in 1999. And ever since, we have data mined, processed raw information to provide you, our subscriber, with intelligence. Intelligence which you can use to make your business more profitable. Crude oil prices on Thursday displayed a mixed undertone. While WTI traded at US dollars 53.36, up 25 cents per barrel, Brent finished at 55.65, down 10 cents per barrel. WTI prices gained on the back of a weaker US dollar against the euro, while Brent prices declined on reports that OPEC could extend its oil supply reduction agreement with non-members and might even apply deeper cuts if global crude stockpiles fail to decline to targeted levels. Open spec naphtha prices on Thursday were assessed down at the US dollars 526 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels, a day-on-day fall of US dollars 2 per metric ton. Propylene prices meanwhile galloped higher and were assessed at US dollars 1005 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, a surge of US dollars 75 per metric ton from Wednesday's levels. Prices were at the US dollars 1025 per metric ton CFR China levels, a day-on-day spike of US dollars 50 per metric ton. Reports of persistent tight product availability, bullish regional demand trends, and firmer downstream PP values together pushed prices sharply higher in the region. Benzene prices on Thursday dropped in Asia. Prices were at the US dollars 1020 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, a decline of US dollars 15 per metric ton from Wednesday. The price fall was on the back of weak demand trends in key markets like China and a fall in downstream SM rates. On Thursday, prices of SM were at the US dollars 1485 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, a day-on-day fall of US dollars 5 per metric ton. Bearish upstream benzene values and dull demand trends in China supported the price fall. TPC Thailand has offered its PVC resin suspension grade at US dollars 990 per metric ton CIF Nhava Sheva 4 basis for shipment in March 2017. This offer attracts an anti-dumping duty of US dollars 48 per metric ton. The basic custom duty for imports of PVC from Thailand is 5%. Polymer Update is South Asia's first petrochemical market intelligence platform. Over the past 17 years, the company has helped create benchmark price assessments for various commodity polymers. Polymer Update's proprietary methodology is widely respected and has built a strong enough credibility to several thousand industry leaders make business-critical decisions on a daily basis. Feedback shows that most of Polymer Update subscribers save large amounts of money while basing their decisions on the intelligence we provide. To get real-time polymer prices and daily news updates, subscribe to Polymer Update today. This is Neeraj Rawal signing off from the Polymer Update Mumbai office. Thank you.